Cuyo is Palawan's oldest town, with its distinct culture that has been kept for over 350 years. From 1873 to 1903, Cuyo was the second capital of Palawan after Puerto Princesa during the Spanish occupation of the Philippines. The first visible landmark on Cuyo Island from the sea is a lighthouse near the dock. Many of the streets heading into town have already been cemented, but the Hispanic Plaza Iglesia structures has been retained. The Spanish-built church, Covenant, and fort at Cuyo, completed in 1680, dominates the town center. A schoolhouse and a monument to national hero Jose Rizal are located nearby. Cuyonon or Cuyonons are refers to an ethnic group populating the Cuyo Islands along with northern and central Palawan. The Cuyonons hail originally from Cuyo and the surrounding of Cuyo Islands, a group of islands and islets in the northern Sulu Sea to the northeast of Palawan. The largest island in Cuyo Archipelago is Cuyo Island, which measures 57 square kilometers or 22 square miles in area and is roughly 13 kilometers or 8.1 kilometers long by 7.5 kilometers or 4.7 miles wide. Mount Bonbon is the highest mountain on Cuyo Island, rising to a height of 817 feet or 249 meters. And the towns of Cuyo and Magsaysay have jurisdiction over the island. Cuyo is politically divided into 17 barangays. The poblacion is home to a Spanish fort with towering stone walls that shelter a church and a covenant. And every barangay has puroks and some also have sitios. The Cuyo Fiesta is held every August. It resembles the Ati-Atian Festival, also known as the Purungitan Festival in several ways. Those taking part in this event would have darkened skin in celebration. Usually, they dance completely carefree to the drum's melodic beat. Cuyo's cultural legacy, which includes cashew nuts, also known as kasoy, sea grapes or lato, komedya, sinulog, sayaw inocentes, Irukay, Birso, Banda Itipano, Chetas, Tambura, Birgere, Pundo-Pundo, Kuratsa, and other has been preserved despite the city's advanced age. Additionally, Ati-Ati is made only male group of clowns and tipano or flutes drummers.